Changing your profile picture on PayPal is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Login. Go to the PayPal website or open the PayPal app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access profile settings. Once logged in, locate and click on the profile icon or your name at the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Select profile picture. In the profile settings menu, look for an option that says profile picture or change profile picture. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Upload new image. You will be prompted to upload a new image. Choose a file from your device that meets PayPal's image requirements, then click Upload or Save. Step 5. Confirm changes. After uploading, review your new profile picture. If satisfied, confirm the changes by clicking Save or Confirm. Your new profile picture will now be updated. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on PayPal. Enjoy your refreshed account look.